Yo, I've kind of been off lately. Not completely, but enough to feel it. Enough to see it in my work and my momentum and just the way that I carry myself. So I'm making a comeback and I'm going to show you how I plan about doing it. It's not some flashy course, it's not some big motivational thing, it's not some 30-day dopamine detox or anything like that. It's way simpler, it's just tracking my habits. That's it. After doing some reflection, I noticed that every time I've been locked in, like really locked in, super focused, consistent, disciplined, and just really getting things done, it wasn't because I had some huge goal, it wasn't because I became super inspired. It was just because I followed a system, and that system always included just having a habit tracker. Before I used to do it in a journal or just like on a piece of paper and hang it up on the wall where I'd like track the habits and whatnot. But now I'm deciding to do it all in Notion, and the reason because is like it's just more convenient for me. I'm just like not very organized with paper, I found out, and I just want to be able to keep tracking of everything pretty much in one place. Cleaner, it's faster. I usually prefer using like paper stuff, but this just makes more sense for this time. The platform isn't important though, it's just the principle behind it. So I'll show you real quick what it looks like on the screen. Pretty much I've gotten everything broken down from content creation stuff, fitness, and just like mindset stuff. For the content side of things, I want to upload a long form video, a short form, and just do some type of community engagement. For fitness, it'd be eating at a calorie surplus every day, and then also hitting 100 reps. And for the mindset or like intellectual side of things, it's studying for 90 minutes and then reading 10 pages. That's all I've got for right now because I'm not trying to like cram 20 different things and just like overwhelm myself. I'm specifically starting light because I want to start building momentum and like just not overwhelm myself. One of the things that I'm trying to do better this time is instead of like putting the bar too high, I'm trying to like set the bar a little bit lower so that I can consistently just get a win every single day. Like I might change my studying habit to reflect this, but pretty much what I'd have on like my old habit trackers is something like, okay, read for 90 minutes every day. Okay, that's perfect if you have enough time and like that's a great habit, but every day I just might not have enough time. So I'm trying to like lower the bar so I can hit it every day. If I do a little bit more than that, okay, perfect. But I just want to like make sure that I'm hitting the bare minimum so I can get that win. That's really the key that I'm trying to take advantage of, making them realistic so I can hit them and like get these wins every single day. Because one of the biggest problems that like stopped me from being consistent when it came to my old habit trackers, if I fell off for like a day because like just something went wrong, the day was just like, I don't know, just like different than the other days, and I didn't follow through with a lot of the habits, I'd end up getting really demotivated, be like, you know what, fuck this, I'm not going to do this habit tracker, I'm just going to make a new one. And it just like threw off my momentum essentially. So again, just trying to set the bar way lower. I can, of course, exceed that if I want to, but just want to get those wins and keep like being consistent. I'm thinking about adding some other habits to this as well, something like meditation for 5 minutes, because I know that's a very good habit to have. Something cardio related, maybe like jogging around the block or something light. But again, I'm just like trying to keep the workload low and like not put on too much too fast because I'm not trying to overwhelm myself and end up quitting. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not like this huge hype wave. It's just being consistent, doing the right things every single day, showing up. If you've been struggling or slipping with your motivation and discipline, you can try something very similar to this. You just start with 3 small things that matter to you, 3 small actions or disciplines that you really want to like make consistent in your life. Just make it an easy win and keep stacking every single day. That's what I'm doing. No fluff, no hype, just discipline built one brick at a time. And if you want to go deeper and you want to start building with other men that are on the same path, I've created a Brotherhood. You're welcome to join. Link is in the description. I think it might be very valuable to you because nowadays it's kind of hard to find other people who are, just disciplined and like on the same path as you are. Or at least if that isn't the case, it's just hard to find someone who's like willing to talk about subjects like this. But that's it. That's how I'm making my comeback. Not by being perfect, just by being present, focused, and consistent. Remember, if you want your life to change for the better, it starts with you.